Hey there, this is Alan and this is your Magical Math Minute. So I want to talk a little bit about multiplication. For different students, some people might be better at multiplication than others, but I want to show you an alternate way of multiplying that's actually really useful, especially when you get into bigger numbers. So for instance, I've got this 24 times 36 and I'm going to go through the standard method of multiplication here. So we start with the 6 and you multiply 6 times 4 and you get 24. So we carry the 2. And we multiply 6 times 2, which is 12, and then add 2, which is 14, and then we carry a 0. 3 times 4 is 12, so we carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And if we add these digits down, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 plus 7 is 8. The problem is that many students struggle with this concept of borrowing and adding and where to place the numbers. So I've got this alternate method here, and for lack of a better term, I'm going to call this the peanut butter and jelly method because these look like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So if you put the 2 and the 4 along the top and the 3 and the 6 along the side, each of these represents the tens place and the ones place for the multiplication of these two digits. So if I multiply 2 times 3, that's a 6. If I multiply 4 times 3, that's a 12, so I put a 1 here and a 2 here. If I multiply 2 times 6, that's a 12, so I put a 1 here and a 2 here. And then 4 times 6 is 24, so I put a 2 here and a 4 here. Then each of these diagonals represents a place in your answer. So here's a 4, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, and 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. And there's your answer, just like the original one. I hope you enjoyed your Magical Math Minute. Thank you.